So basically, we use a CRM, okay? It's customer or client relationship management software is what we use to manage data. Um, we should talk about that in a second here. Um, Data management or data collection is a part of your job, okay? Data entry, okay? I also do some consulting in the medical field, and one of the things that medical doctors complain a lot about is the fact that they have to do data entry as part of their job. Yeah, you have to document your diagnosis. You have to document your diagnosis. You have to document your examinations. You have to document what you come up with. Whatever it is, you have to document your administrations, medicine administration. You have to do all of that, and doctors have always done that. They just did it in writing. But of course, with the technology age, you have to document things, to keep track of things so that people can look at your notes and say, okay, this is what happened, this is what happened. If your doctor get hit by a bus, they can still look at the records and see what happened, right? So they complain about that, and I didn't get it. But yes, as a real estate investor, wholesaler, whatever you want to call yourself, documentation is a part of your job. And another, documentation is a fancy way to say it, but what it means is data entry. You have to document as things are going, and if you don't do that, you'll fail, because you can't track yourself, you can't track your results, you can't track your activities, you don't know what's working and what's not working. You have to know these things in order for you to make the most out of any endeavors, any business. Okay, you have to do that. If you don't do that, you will fail. Okay, you increase your chances of failing if you're not documenting your activity, basically. Okay,